Welcome to the Brain Bites Cosmic Quiz, where space sounds, alien landscapes, and cosmic riddles test the power of your brain. Ready to launch into the unknown? Let's begin. This eerie sound came from a planet. Can you guess what is the name of that planet? Was that haunting echo from planet Saturn? Or the red planet Mars? Or the planet Neptune? Think fast. The correct answer is Saturn. Can you guess from where this radio wave sound was picked from? Is this sound picked from a black hole, or from a pulsar, or from a comet? Focus, you can crack it. The correct answer is pulsar. Can you guess this sound from the space? This eerie sound? Is it a solar storm sound? Or is it a gamma ray? Or is it a comet? Yes, it's a solar storm sound. Which space object makes a humming sound like this? Is this sound caused by a neutron star, or by a black hole, or by the sun? Yes, this horrifying hum is from the black hole. This eerie space noise came from which moon? Is this mysterious sound coming from Moon? Or is it from Europa? Or is it from Titan? The answer is Titan. Guess the space body from the image. This is Mars, also known as the Red Planet. Guess the space body from the image. This is Europa, the icy moon of planet Jupiter. Guess the space body from the image. This is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Guess the space body from the image. This is Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system. Guess the space body from the image. This is Io, Jupiter's moon known for its volcanoes. How about a space riddle, brainiacs? Guess this one. I don't shine, but I'm full of light. Bend time and space and hide from sight. What am I? Am I a wormhole? Or am I a black hole? Or am I the dark matter? Yes, I am a black hole. A mystery? Not fully unveiled.
Do you think you can crack this one, Brainiacs?
I light the night, but I am not the sun. I orbit Earth and weigh a ton. What am I? Am I the moon? Or am I a star? Or am I a comet? Yes, you are right. I am the moon. Try to crack this one, Brainiacs. I twinkle, but I'm not shy. I burn bright in the sky. What am I? Am I a star? Or am I a meteor? Or am I a comet? Yes, you guessed it right, Brainiacs. I am a star. Would you rather want to be stuck in a black hole or get yourself to be on a frozen moon forever? Like our video if you want to be on a black hole, or subscribe to our channel for the frozen moon. Would you rather take a walk on the moon or want to take a flyby over Jupiter? Like our video if you want to be on the moon, or subscribe to our channel to fly by Jupiter.
Great job, Brainiacs! Drop your score in the comments and share the challenge with your friends and family. If you like the thrill, please support us by liking and subscribing our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button for more exciting and fun Brain Bites challenges. Take care of yourself and see you in the next challenge.